Today I'm going to unbox my new Mangoal dash cam made for my 2021 Toyota Venza. This version is considered their Model A, which fits Toyota RAV4 hybrids from 19 to 21, RAV4 primes from 21 to 24, and also Toyota Venzas from 21 to 24. This dash cam is Ultra HD 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames a second. It utilizes a NOVATEK NT-96670 processor and a SONY IMX335 sensor, which excels in low light sensitivity and high dynamic range, which allows for incredible continuous recordings without the need for infrared sensors. Some of the other features are built-in Wi-Fi, a G sensor, which allows for the camera to automatically turn on when it's shaken in the event of a hit and run. It records a 1-minute video when it detects this and locks the file so it can't be copied over. It also includes an emergency video lock button, audio recording, loop cycle recording, 180-degree auto video rotation, wide dynamic range, G sensor parking mode, and a time-lapse parking mode. It also supports 128GB Class 10 U3 speed SD cards for 4K video recording. It does all of this in a design that looks just like the Toyota OEM plastics around my rearview mirror. Now let's open the box to see what all's inside. First thing we've got when we open it up are some instructions and tips for how to sync the camera with your app on your Android or iPhone and how to pull the videos from there, it looks like. The next thing we have here is the actual dash camera itself. Now this is the Model A. There's also a Model B. If you go through Amazon's website, there's a really clear picture tutorial on how to tell if you have the Model A or Model B unit. Mine was the A based on how my plastics looked around my rearview mirror. Inside of this dash cam, you've got your camera up front with the lens cover on there currently. I've got a cable for the rear camera, which can go on the back of the vehicle. I've got my power plug connector here. And I've also got a GPS sensor plug, which is an optional accessory you can purchase through Mangoal as well. Also included in here looks to be a manual for it with instructions and some plastic zip ties to tie up your cords. Inside the manual, looks like we've got a lot of information on how to properly set this up, how to put in the SD card, and other installation tips in here. The next thing that's included in this box is the rear camera, it looks like. So this is the rear camera, which will be mounted to the back of the vehicle, and you also have enough cabling to run it along from the back windshield or rear view windshield all the way up to your rear view mirror, where it'll plug in to the dash cam. The last thing they've included in this box is, looks like the power cord adapter here for the Toyota Model A to clip everything in. You've also got a little plastic pry tool. And they've also got some spare clips, I guess, in case you crack some of yours when you take them off your original one. And lastly, here's the 128 gig SD card they threw in, which is kind of nice because they could have thrown in a smaller one. So this lets you continuously record video for quite some time. That's it for what's in the package. Now I look forward to installing it, and we'll record a video of that. Thanks.